Hi everyone! Today I'll show you the easiest way to make a magic ring and a slip knot in crochet. We'll start with the magic ring and then move on to the slip knot. Let's get started. First, this is the yarn tail. And this is the working yarn, the one connected to the yarn ball. Hold the yarn tail with your thumb and ring finger. Now wrap the working yarn around your index finger and middle finger. As you wrap it around, it will create an X shape on your fingers. Pinch the X with your thumb and index finger to hold it in place. This will create a loop. Insert your hook into the loop. Grab the working yarn with your hook and pull it through the loop. Now chain one to secure it. And your magic ring is ready. Remember, this chain does not count as a stitch. Now let's make a slip knot. Hold the yarn tail with your thumb and ring finger. Now hold the working yarn between your index finger and middle finger. Insert your hook under the yarn. Rotate your hook to create a loop on the hook. Now, pinch the loop to hold it in place. Yarn over with the working yarn. Pull the working yarn through the loop. Gently pull the yarn tail to tighten it, and your slip knot is ready. And that's how you make a magic ring and a slip knot. Did you find this method easy? And were you able to make them? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.